4-7-8 breathing is a great technique that can calm anxiety, relieve stress in just a few breath cycles. And it refers to the count. So you inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. The key is to exhale through your mouth, and you want to make an audible sound, so like that. So let's try it together. First, let's exhale all the air out through our mouth. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. And then exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat that 4 times and you'll be a much calmer version of yourself.